Hello everyone, myself Nitin and welcome to my channel Megapixel Beast. As you know that I am using this Realme 8 Pro since 1 month, so I decided to share 7 top features which I liked most about this phone. Hope this feature will help you, so watch this video till end. Before starting video, please go and check my recent photography tutorials and camera reviews. So do subscribe and hit bell icon for latest updates. First one is slow motion. This is one of my favorite feature. A Realme camera provided slow motion in 4 different frame rates: 120 fps, 240, 480, 960 fps. So I have choice to use different frame rates as per my requirement. So there is one more feature available called as motion detection. So it is only available for ultra slow motion videos. Next one is optimal effect. Realme already introduced this beautiful feature in all recent phones. So I can say that this is the cool feature available in the phone. This feature helps us to blur background while recording the video. You just have to open the camera and switch on this optimal effect option. Here you can see result of optimal effect. It gives good edge detection in video. I will use this feature while making vlogs. So there is one more advantage is that you don't have need to carry a DSLR while shooting your vlogs. Realme always try to give essential features in Realme Lab settings. This time Realme has came up with a new feature for AMOLED display panels. Many of you don't know about this DC dimming feature. Let me explain this feature. Whenever you lower down your brightness, then your mobile starts flickering. So you can check this by placing screen in front of any camera. For eliminating this flickering issue, you just have to switch on this DC dimming. After enabling this feature, this problem will solve. It is now available in Realme Lab settings. This is the another favorite feature of a Realme 8 Pro. Previously I was using normal mode, but recently I switched to dark mode. It really gives me a cool interface. It also saves my battery. Due to dark mode, the user interface becomes fantastic. All apps runs very good on dark mode. Try once and share your experience in a comment. So there are the 3 modes available in it, and you can switch it as mini window. Realme UI 2.0 introduced this new function called mini window. Currently this feature helping me a lot. Whenever I want to attend Zoom meetings as well as WhatsApp, then I prefer this option. This feature have these 2 options: mini window and floating window. For activating this, you just have to go background task manager and tap on 3 dots. You will get this option. I really like to use multiple apps and it saves my time. You can use this feature for such conditions. So use it and tell me your experience in comment section. Dual audio mode. This name itself indicates its feature. Nowadays everyone uses Bluetooth and wired earphones. Right now there are many options available in market. So this feature help you to connect both Bluetooth and wired earphones simultaneously. This is a really cool feature. I frequently use this dual audio mode while traveling. It gives same vibes to both of the listeners. Please go and try this feature. Stay tuned for next video because I will upload such a photography tips, tricks, tutorials on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching my video.